We are cannonballs floating through the air. We are fireballs through time and space. We are divinity. There is Cameron Brown, cooks with fire. Oh, wallflower, so proud and free. The Sibylle Veda, a Sanskrit child of flower pots, running wild and free. We are warriors, each and every one, born from English blood. In God we trust. We are loyalty. There is Papa Brown, who protects his own. He'll give his life for liberty. Barbara Mary Brown, an angel then, she walks with grace and pours me tea. We are cannonballs floating through time and space. We are fireballs with love and grace. We are divinity. Tell my wife I love her very much. She knows, I hope. Tell my wife